This conference will now be recorded.
Yes. Now let's discuss about Flexbox, Flexblock box layout, or you can say that CSS Flexbox layout, Flexbox guys, Flexbox, or simply you say that CSS Flex, CSS Flex guys, Flex. Okay. Yes. Let us see now what is the need of this Flexbox. All of it. So flex box means a flexible box, guys. Actually, the flex box the flex box, right? Stands for flexible, guys. Okay, flexible. Okay, flexible box. Flexible box. See, in the name itself, the meaning is there. Flexible box. Flexible box, right? See here, box means like containers, guys. Like small containers. Or the borders, okay, some boxes, right? Some boxes. So flexible boxes means, just guys observe, flexible boxes means we can arrange the boxes in a flexible manner, guys. Suppose let's take this is the browser, guys. This is the browser body, right? It's the browser body. Okay, browser body. And there are some boxes are there like this. There are some boxes, guys. There are some boxes are there like this, for example, right? The boxes are there like this. So boxes means we can take some elements, guys, some elements with borders. Okay, these boxes we can arrange in the body whatever required shape we need, right? For example, we can arrange like this in a row. We can arrange in a row, guys, like this. We can arrange in a row the top of the body, or in the middle of the body. In the middle of the body, we can arrange, guys. We can arrange, or we can arrange the ending in the the right side of the browser. We can body we can arrange like this, right? So we can arrange the boxes at any place, guys. That's why it's called flexible box. The concept name is a flexible box. You can arrange the boxes anywhere. So for this one, there are some styles, guys. There are some styles are there to make this one. Okay, right. Now let us see now how to make this one possible, guys. Now all of clear the main intention of flex layout. All of you are clear the main intention of flex layout or flexbox layout. So flexbox means stands for flexible box, guys. Flexible box means we can arrange the box in any required format. That's why they're called flexible boxes. Flexible boxes, right? So for this one, I'll take one example, guys, and explain you. Okay, I'll take one new file. I'll explain you. Yes, this is the yesterday file, guys. Okay, I'll take the one new file. I'll explain it here. Now, all of you observe. Okay, I created a new file, guys. Let me take the new file. Yes. So the file came. The file came. Okay, all of you observe. The file came here. Now, we can save the file first of all, guys. Let me save the file. I save the file. I'll take the name Flexbox, guys. Flexbox, Flexbox dot HTML, something like this. Okay. Right. Fine. Now let me increase the font size. Yes, guys. Let me take the. I'll write a program to explain this Flexbox. Okay. Right. So I'm going to body. I'm going to body. All of you observe. Let's take here. See, guys. Right. I'll go to the previous one. I'll take the same bootstrap lines, guys. Let me use the all bootstrap lines. In every program now onwards, what we do? We'll use the bootstrap lines, guys. Right. So we take the different boxes, guys. Now we'll take different boxes. First of all, let me take the one division. Right, in the division, it is a container, guys. Container division. Okay. So in this division, now what do I do? What do I do? I'll take here some. We can take the multiple containers, guys. That's one way. Or simply, what do I do? See, we have seen already working with UL and OL tags, right? OL tags. In this UL and OL, we take the LI items, right? List items, guys. I'll take some list items. Those will create as a boxes, and on those things we apply. These all flexible, these styles, right? Let me take here. Suppose let's take something OL. I'll take the OL, guys. In the OL, so one LI tag, LI tag. Let's take some names here. I'll take the names, for example, something as NTH1, something like this. NTH1. Okay. Right. Next one, one more LI, NTH2. Just I'm taking the numbering, guys, to make the difference. And I'm taking the NTH. You can take any names, right? Any names, guys. We can take the course names or our names. You can take NTH3, right? NTH3. I'll take one more LI. Suppose NTH4, NTH4, right? The last one, one more LI. I'll take here NTH5, guys. NTH5, right? NTH5. Now this one, first I'll display, guys. Let me run this one till now. Let's go to the our folder. Our folder. I'll run those things. Right, UI and guys, right, flexible. Right. Now all of you observe, guys. All of you observe. All of you observe. Right. Now you can see, right? You can see here. Here the space is left, right? All of you. The space is left here because why it's a container, right, guys? We are taking the container. We are taking the container. So the space was left, right? Now I'll remove the space, guys. No, I don't want the space there. If you don't want space there, then what do we do generally, guys? We can take the right one more class for container. That name is okay, flexible. What's the name? Fluid, guys. Yes, correct. That name is container fluid. Okay, I'll take here container fluid. That's fine. That's fine, right? Yes, guys, container fluid. Right. So let me refresh here. Yes, that's fine. Next one. Next one. Now what do I do on this UL tag and LA tags? LA tags. I'll apply the styles, guys. I'll apply the styles. let me take the style. Sorry. Yeah, style. Now all of you observe. First of all, let me take the UL tag. On the UL tag, I'll take here a list style type, guys. Okay, list style type. What does it mean? What does it mean? All of you observe now. I'm taking here none, guys. What does it mean? What does it mean? Now all of you observe. All of you observe. So it means it will remove this which one? This dots, guys. This symbol will be removed. This symbol will remove, guys. Okay, will be removed. I'll refresh here. Yes, they are removed. Okay, they are removed. Fine. Next what do I do? For these all list items, I am going to give some border, guys. Let me take the border for this one. Let me take the border, guys, here. I'll take some margin. I'll take both margin and padding, guys. 0 pixels first of all. I'm taking for this one both 0 pixels, or you can take simple 0 also possible. Right? Let's take the border for this one. Let me take the border, guys. Border, some 2 pixels border. Okay. Let's take the black color. Then solid line, right? Solid line. Solid line. Okay. That's fine. Now coming to the list items, guys. Coming to the list items. All of you observe. All of you observe. Yes. Now LI, guys. I'm taking the LI. For every LI, I'll take the border. We'll take the border. Right, border. Same, guys. Some 2 pixels border. Okay. Some let's take the blue color and solid line. Solid line. Yes. Now all of you observe. Still the flex box not started, guys. Okay, still it's not started. Just I'm first of all I'm formatting that li and ul tags. Okay, and we can take here that margin and padding, guys, for both. I'll take margin for every li. I'll take suppose 20 pixels margin. I'm taking the padding also, guys. Padding also 20 pixels. 20 pixels, guys, for every li box. All of you can observe here, right? Okay. So we have taken here 20 pixels and 20 pixels margin and padding 20 pixels, guys. And this side already, okay, more space is there. Okay, means so we have considered right this much space, guys. Right now that's fine. Now on top of this one, guys, I'm going to apply. I'm going to apply which one? I'm going to apply our styles, guys. Which one? Flexbox styles. Flexbox, right? Flexbox. Now all of you observe, guys. All of you observe. I'm going to the UL tag. UL tag. Yes, guys. Now I'll take here display. Display is the flex, guys. Display flex. All of you observe. I'm taking now display flex, right? Display flex. Yes. Now all of you observe. All of you observe. So here there are two directions for the flex, guys. There are two directions. One is displaying those in the row format. All of you observe. Sorry, displaying the boxes in the row format like this, or in the column format like this, guys. So row direction is there and column direction is there. So by default, which direction was there? Column direction was there. The column direction now I changed to the which one? Row direction. That's why now all boxes came in the single row. All boxes came in the single row, guys. Single row. All of it clear, right? So if you want, you can see here, you can see now that flex direction also is there, guys. Okay, we have one style called flex direction. Flex ray direction. So I'll take here column, guys. For example, let us say I'm taking the column, right? Column. Let's go here. Let me refresh here. See, all of right. So column came by default, guys. Column came by default. Okay, by default what came here, right? Column came, right? Column came. Next, so I want row, right? So if you want row, then what do we do here? You can see I'm taking the row, guys. I'm taking the row. Now they come in the row size, row format, and also the boxes are there from where? From left side onwards, guys. Right? From the browser body or container, the boxes are there from left side onwards, not from the right side, guys. Not from the right side. All of observe, right? So it's the default thing, right? Default thing to be in the left side onwards. I want from right side onwards. I want from right side onwards. So this is the row, right, guys? Row means what came here left side onwards. I want reverse, right? So we'll take the reverse, row reverse, guys. Row reverse. Now all of you observe, all of you see simple logic here. So initially what happened? See, at the time, here first one was there, then NTH two, third box was there, fourth box and fifth box, right? Like that initially the boxes are there. But now see again, actually where was the one at leftmost, guys? Right, leftmost one is the one, and now in the row reverse again, rightmost one came. See, one came where? Rightmost, guys. One, then two, right? Three, then four, then five, like this. All of can observe here. All of can observe here, right? Means leftmost one came to the rightmost one, guys. Rightmost one, like this. It's not coming like this. It's not coming like a one, two, three, four. It's not coming like that, guys. For that one again, we have a separate style. Okay, so here row reverse means the leftmost box will go to the rightmost, guys. Rightmost. That's point you have to remember. All of is clear. Row reverse, guys. Row reverse. Okay. Now I'll take the what do we have, guys? By default column, right? By default column, guys. Right? By default column, right? By default column. So column means see what is there again, top to bottom, 1 2 3 4, guys, right? Top to bottom. So first box one is there, then the box two is there, box three is there, box four, and box five, right? This is the column, guys. Direction column. If I take the column reverse, then like one, two, three, like this, guys. Three, four, five, like that. There is the which one? Column reverse. Row reverse. Column reverse, guys. Okay. Remember these names, right? I'll take now column reverse. All of right. I'm taking here column reverse. Okay. I'm taking now column reverse, guys. Save this one. Let's go there. You can see now, right? In observe, all of you. See what was there now initially. What is there? The down now. See, one is the right box one, then two, then three, then four, and five. Because of which one? Column reverse. If I take only column, then normally first box, second box, normal, right? Default order, four and five, like this. Five, like this, guys. All of clear, right? This is which one? Now we have seen four things, guys, right? Which one? Column direction, row reverse, column reverse. All of clear, right? We have seen now four things. Which one? Row reverse, and column reverse, guys. Column reverse. These are for style name here. Flex direction, guys. Okay, flex direction. So what's default one? I'm going for default one, guys. Which one? Row is the default one, right? Row is the default one. Row is the default one, guys. Default one. Okay. Uh, I'll do one more thing, guys, or else I'll take one more thing here. Observe now. I'll take the sorry. I'll take here class. I'll take the class name. Suppose, guys, busy success, right? Success. I'll take the one more class. Let's take here some busy, warning, right? Warning, right? I am taking the background class for everything else, okay? Background color class. Let's take busy primary, for example, right? Busy primary. Okay, let's take now class. Let's take busy dark. I think darker. Some block is there, guys. Dark, right? Dark. We'll take class. Let's take busy danger, guys. Okay, danger. Busy danger, right? Busy danger, guys. Right? Busy danger, right? Uh, let's take in all again text color, wait. So can I take here, guys? Can I take here? Can I take here class text white? Is it possible or not possible, guys? Tell me now. I am taking here text white, guys. Is it possible or not possible? I am taking the text white because I want to give for this all text color white. Text color white. That's why I am taking here text white. So is it possible? Instead of writing in every ally tag, just I wrote there, guys. I wrote there. Right? Instead of writing here text white, text white, text white. So what happened? I wrote directly the parent tag. Right? That's possible, guys. That is over. Okay, that's over. Fine. Leave it. Let me take a little bit more, guys. Suppose 30 pictures, right? 30 like this. Okay, fine. Now all of you observe. Now what you have seen now? We have seen the two styles. What is the first one? Display flex. And second one, display direction. In the direction we have seen four: row reverse, column reverse, right? Column reverse, right? Next one, suppose, guys, if you have more number of items are there. See here, how many items are there? How many boxes are there, guys? Right? 5 boxes are there. Okay, 5 boxes are there. So they came in the row like this. Suppose if you have 10 boxes are there, then after this row over, does it start again a new row for the remaining boxes? Does it take the same row by taking the more, guys? Let us see now, right? Let us see. What do I do? I'll take more number of rows, guys. Okay, I'll take more number of items, more number of just a copy and paste. I'm taking here all of you just copy these items. Just I'm going to paste here, guys, to check. Right, I'm taking 2 times, 3 times. Okay, let us see now. All of you observe. Yes, guys, can you observe now? They are not wrapping, guys. They're not wrapping, right? They are not wrapping. Wrapping means once the first line over, coming automatically in the second line, guys. Once the container over, they're automatically coming in the second line is the wrapping. But here no wrapping, right, guys? No wrapping. See, they're going like that. Okay. Now I don't want to go like that. Once that container over, then I want to get in the new lane automatically. That's called wrapping, right? Wrapping, guys. For that one, we have one more style that is flex wrap, guys. Flex wrap. By default, no wrap, guys. By default, no wrap. There's a default one, no wrap. Okay, no wrap. Observe, guys, right? No wrapping by default, right? But I want now wrapping here. Then take the wrap. That's all. Let's go there. Let's refresh here. Now all of you can observe, guys. All of you can observe. All of you. Let me know, right? So this is starting, right, guys? This is starting. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this, guys. Like this. We got it, right? And 1 second, guys. 1 second. Now I'm going to change the numbering, guys. Okay. Just I take here. I'll take the 6. Okay. I'll take the 7. I'll take the 8. I'll take the 9. I'll take that. Why I'm taking the numbering means to understand better way, guys. That's all. To understand better way, I'm taking the numbering. Right. So we have the 15 boxes, right, guys? We have the 15 boxes. All of right. In the first row, 7 boxes came. See the numbering. All of see the numbering, right? The second row again, next 7 came. Total 14 over. Then 15th came in the third lane. Okay. That is which one, guys? That is the which one? What's the style we are taking here? wrap guys, right? We are taking the wrap style. Okay, we are taking the wrap guys. The wrap, we have the again the wrap reverse guys. Wrap reverse. All of you observe. You are getting the reverse for row, for column, for wrap also reverse. Now, if I take the wrap reverse, then what are the order of the boxes? Now, all of you observe guys. All of you observe. See, starting from where? Right. See. Okay. So starting from where guys? Starting. This is the right first line over. Then right second line guys, this direction. Okay, this direction over. Then third lane, this direction started guys. That is the which one wrap reverse. If I take only wrap, then how they came? This is the first lane. Okay, first lane. Then second lane, second lane. Then guys third lane like that. By default, right? Wrap came. Wrap reverse means what happened here? Starting in the ending, right? Starting in the last line, last line starting, right? Like this. Okay, first lane, then second lane, second lane, then guys third lane like this. All of clear? All of clear this one, right? So this is the which one guys? Only wrap. This is the wrap guys, and this is the which one? Wrap reverse. Wrap reverse guys. Wrap reverse. So all of is it clear? All of right? Wrap and wrap reverse guys. Okay. Wrap and wrap reverse. All of clear, right? Yes. Now, say I'm taking this numbering to show you this reverse, guys. Okay. To show you this wrap reverse, I have taken the numbering. If you don't have these numbers 1 to 15, then we have to think it. Where is 1 to 5 again? Second 1 to 5 again. Third 1 to 5 is there. There is the order starting. Some kind of confusion. That's why I have taken the unique numbers for all the boxes. Okay. Right. Now all of you observe. Now I don't need all the items again. I don't need all the items, guys. I'm going to move all the items again. All of you someone did not mute the mic. Uh, Akila, 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 check on your mic. Akila, please check on your mic. Right. Okay. I'm taking the again normal only, guys. Yes. Right. Only one lane, right? Only one lane, guys. That's why no wrap reverse, right? Because very few boxes are there. Okay. That's fine now. That's fine now. Now all of you observe. Now what do I do here? What do I do now? What do I do now? See, in the previous case, if you remember, when I take the row reverse, how they came, guys? How they came? I take the row reverse. All of observe now, right? Like one, right? Most right, two, three, four, five, like that. It came, right? The boxes, guys. But I don't want like that. I want like this. Right side only. One, two, three, four. I want like this, guys. All of clear, right? If I take row reverse, then what happens here? The leftmost box is arranging at where? In the rightmost, guys. Rightmost. I don't want like this. I want just only moving only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that is left side. The same 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I want right side. That's all. The same direction, right? First here one is there. Here also first one. Then second two is there. Here also I want second two. Next three is there. I want like that. I want same. Okay. For that one, now all of you observe, we have one style called justify content, guys. Okay, justify content. Justify content. Now we'll take here by default flex start, guys. Start means from starting. By default flex start. That is the default order, guys. Okay, from starting onwards is there, right? Now the next one is a flex end, guys. I want end of this body. Flex end. Flex end. Now all of can observe, guys. All of can observe here. All of can observe. So what happened initially? See, this is the right our division, guys. Okay, this is the division, right? See now this is division. Okay. So flex start means start from beginning onwards. That's flex start, guys. Start from the beginning, right? Beginning. End means I want to go to ending like this, guys. So now at the starting place is there, at ending place is there, guys. But the same numbering first box, same first box here. You can say that simply it's moving, guys. It's moving to ending position. That's only moving, you can say. Okay, all of clear this one now. All of clear? To display like this, what we used? We used justify content flex end, guys. Flex end. If I take the row reverse, then what happens here? The reverse will come, right? Okay. All of you till now clear, right? All of you are following me. All of you are following me. All of you are following me, right? Everybody. All of you. Or am I going fast? Are able to follow me, or am I going fast, guys? Yes, Rohita, this is very useful topic, correct? Very useful topic, very useful topic. Okay, next one, guys. See, I have taken here a flex start and flex end, right? Flex end, guys. Let us see now center, guys. Let us see now center, flex center. All of you observe, right? So we have seen a flex start means from beginning onwards. Flex end means at the end. I am taking now flex center, guys. I'm taking now flex center. Let us see now. Oh, we are taking the center, but working as a flex starter, right? From beginning onwards, where we do changes. 1 second, guys. I'll remove this flex. I'll take the center only. I'll take center only. Yes, guys. All of you observe. All of you observe. All of right. So what happened now? They came in the center, guys. All boxes came in the center of the which one? That main parent, guys. That division. All of right. See, so why do we use this flex content means? Flex content means, see guys, right here some set of boxes are there. Set of boxes, right? Set of boxes are there like this. Without changing their order, I want place a set of boxes either in the starting position or at the ending position or in the center, guys, without changing their order. That's the main purpose of this which one justify content. The previous case we used a row, right, a column direction, row and column. At that time, if I use the row reverse, what is happening here? That set of boxes coming here, but the order is changing, right? Order is changing. I don't want to change the order, and these are set of boxes I want to move either to the center position to the right position. Then we go for which one? Justify content. Justify content. Right? Biswajit, are clear now? Right? Fine. Yes, guys, right? Now, what we used here, all of you, what we used here, we used which one? We used here justify content. Justify content, guys, right? Content. And what is the name? Center, not flex center, guys. Okay, not flex center. Generally, we use flex start, flex end. But for center position, we should use only center, not the flex center, guys, not flex center. Okay. That's fine. That's fine. Now, what do I do, guys? Here, what do I do? Now, let's talk about the space between each box, guys. Let's talk about the space between before and after the boxes. Before and after the boxes. Let's talk about the space. Okay, space, guys. Right. For that one, what do I do? What do we do here? I am going here. I'll take the height of the each one, guys. I'll increase the height. I'll increase the height. For example, let's take 300 pixels, guys. Okay, 300 pixels. Save this one. Let's go there. Yes. Now all of you observe, guys. All of you observe. All of you observe here. I'm taking the space, right? Space of the sorry, height of the each one. Height of the each one, guys. Okay. Now now observe, all of you observe here, this is the my box size. Okay, box size. The previous case, the box size was this much only, right? This much only. There it was in the center, guys, right? It was in the center in the previous case. But now the box size, the box height is more. The box height is more. Now also I want to get the text, the center, guys, in the center like this. All of you got my point, right? The previous case, the box was in square type, right? Square type. At that time, automatically we get in the center, right? Because we used some margin and padding same equal size, right? Padding equal size. That's fine now. But now the box is not in the square for square type. It is in the rectangular type, guys. Rectangular type, right? In that case, how to keep in the center of the box, right? Now let's go here. Let's go here. All of you observe now. We use align items, guys. We use align items. Align items will take now center, guys. I am taking now center. I am taking now center. All of you observe, guys. All of you observe here. All of you observe now. So what happened here? All of you. What happened here? So the boxes actually which are in the right this much right height. Now what happened, guys? Here they all came in the center of the container, guys. Right, center of the container. The previous case, where are the boxes? The beginning, right? In the beginning, right? In the beginning, the boxes are there. But now what happened here? What happened here? I have taken the more height of the each one. More height like that. More height. That more height. Then what happened here? We are getting the center, guys. That means the boxes are there in the center of the container, right? Center of the container, guys. Exactly now. It may be take the from left and right sides, that center only. Take from the top and bottom center only, guys. Now exactly the boxes are there in the center. Are there? Okay, in the center, guys. Okay, in the center. All of clear, right? Okay, now all of you observe, all of you observe. Suppose if I remove, guys, if I remove this margin style, for example, if I remove this margin padding, let us see, guys. I'll remove those things. Let's go there. Let us see all of you. Now by default here, what happened now? No space, guys. Here, no space available. No space available. Okay, between each box, because you're taking the margin margin styles. That's why the space came between the boxes, and we're taking the padding style. Space came inside the box between the border and the text content, right? Content. Now, so all of you observe, all of you observe. Now, what do I do here? What do I do now? So I align items, right? Now let's take the line items again. Now flex start, guys. Flex start. Flex start. So already we have seen flex start at one time. For style, guys, we use that one. All of you observe. All of you observe. They came in the bottom, right? The flex start we used already. Where for justify content, guys, right? For justify content, we use already fixed start. At that time, what happened? At that time, what happened, guys? They are coming from where? From the starting. This is the starting, guys. Now also I'm using for the align items. Then coming in the bottom. This is the starting, guys. Now this is the starting. Which one? Flex start. If I take the flex end, then what happens, guys? Let me know here. Do we have the flex end or not here? I am taking now flex end, guys. Okay, flex end. Flex end. Yes, guys. All of you can observe here. All of you can observe here. Flex end. All of you are following me, right? So flex end, guys. This is the flex. So flex starter, flex end, and commonly what do we have? Center, guys. Right? We have the center. We have the center, guys. Same. The same three things here. Three values. Which one now? Flex starter, flex end, center are used for the align items and also for the which one justify content. Justify content talks about left to right, guys. Left to right. Align items talk about bottom to top, guys. Bottom to top. All of clear, right? The difference between this justify content and align items. Justify content talks about left to right, guys. Arranging from starting to ending. Left to right. So left means flex start. Right means flex end, right? Flex end, guys. Center means center only. So align items means bottom. Bottom means which one we use, guys? Let me know. Align items bottom is which one we use? We use flex start, right? Flex start, guys. So top means flex end. All of you are following me, right? All of you observe. All of you observe here. So we used justify content guys. So content. So here the different possible values are there. The first value is which one? Flex start I can use guys. Okay, I can use the flex start. If I use the flex start, then the boxes will display where guys, left of the border, left of the browser, left of browser guys, browser, or I can take the container, right, left of the container, left side of the which one, right, container guys, left side of the which one, right, container guys, left side of right container. If I use, suppose if I use here flex flex end guys, then tell me now. If I use the flex end, then the box will display where? The box will display where, all of you? Right side guys, okay? Right side of which one? Right of container, or right side of container guys. To get the center, which one we use center guys? If I use center, then the boxes will display where? Right, center of the right center guys, center of the container, center of the container, okay? Center of the container. That's which one? What style name here? Style name is justify content. Okay, left right guys. This is all about which one? It's all about left to right. Now align items guys. Okay, align items. There here also again we use which one? We use again flex start guys. If I use flex start, then where items will display? If I use flex start, where items will display, all of you? Right, bottom of container, right? Next, I use the flex end guys, flex end. I use flex end, right? Flex end. Tell me now. Top, right? Top of container. Top of container. If I use here center guys, center. There where we use guys, right? Center guys, okay, center. So here also center of container, but between where guys? Between okay, between left and right guys, okay, right, between left and right, and here guys, center of container only, but between where? All of you tell me now. It is between which one? Bottom right guys, okay, bottom and top guys, bottom and top, bottom and top. Now I hope guys you are clear about these two now, right? Justify content and align items, right? Align items guys. Now all of clear, right? These two. Okay, right. That's fine guys. That's fine. Now finally, yes. Here we have the data guys, right? I'll take the those two things. Which one? That margin guys. I take the margin 300 pictures, right? I take 330 guys. I think 30, right? 30 pictures we have taken, and I have taken padding, right? Padding also we have taken 30 pictures. That's fine. Let's go here. Let me refresh here. Yeah. Okay. Now, so what I want here, I want to talk about the space, guys. Space between every box. Every box. See what happened here. What happened here? All of observe now, right? Here the space, more space is there. Here also more space is there, and here less spaces are there, right? Less space, guys. Now I want to work with these all spaces. These all guys, okay, all spaces. So then now all of you observe. All of you observe. Now I am going to take here only justify content only. Now all of you observe. So justify content talks about which one? Talks about left to right, right? Left to right guys, left to right. So we know already flex start, flex end, and center. Now what do I do? I'll take here space between guys. I'll take now space, that space between, space between guys, okay? I'll take now space between. All of you observe. All of you observe. Yes, guys. Space between I used the space came, right, guys? Space came. Space came. But here, if you observe, guys, what happened here? It's coming from where? It's coming from leftmost onwards, guys. Here, the small space is there. Why? Because of which one? this margin, right? Because of margin, the small space is there. Otherwise, it comes where from beginning onwards, guys. Means before the first box, space is not there, but before the second box, more space is there, right? All of right, more space is there. Before third box, again more space is there. All of clear, right? All of clear. Suppose just observe now. I'll go here and remove the margin style. I'll remove the margin style. Yes, guys. Can you observe now? Before the first box, do you have the space, guys? No, no space. And if you observe after the last one, do you have the space, guys? Do you have the space? No, not there. If you want to be like this, no problem, guys. See, I want the space between the boxes only, like that. I'm not worried about the first box, last box. Before first box, after last box, I don't want space. It's fine, guys. Excellent. It's fine. But what I want here, what I want now, I want the space also. I want the space also before the first box, after the last box. Then, guys, we go for space around, guys. We use which one? We use a space around. All of you observe. AROUND, right? Space around, guys. Space around. Space around. All of you see this point very clear. I'm not using the margin style, guys. Margin is not used. Just a padding is used. Why padding I used here? Just to get the space in the box, guys. In the box, no problem. I'm talking about which one? Between the boxes, or before the box, or after the box, guys. That's what I'm talking about now. All of right. So what I used here, what I used now, guys, what I used, space around I used. What's first one I used? Space between. Now space around, guys. Space around. And these two also using where in the justify content only. Justify content only. Now we used all of observe. What I use now? Space between, guys. Tell me now. What does it mean? All of you. What does it mean? Space between. All of let me know. What does it mean? What happened when I use a space between? All of you. When I use space between, so what happened now? All of you tell me now. Yes, right. We got the spaces between all the boxes, but not before the first box and after the first box, guys. Right? Okay. So it gives, right? It gives space between. See, the name itself meaning is right between. It gives space between all boxes except which one, guys? Except before first box, right? Before first box and after last box, guys. After last box. Now all of you, is it clear, everybody? All of right? Is it clear now, everyone? Now before the first box, after the last box, no space, guys. Before, right? Before first box, after last box, remaining all spaces are there. Now next one I used which one, guys? I used next one space around, guys. What does it mean? Tell me now, guys. I'm using space around. If I use space around, all of you observe again here something to be modified. What is there, sorry, here? See, now before the box space came, very good. After the last box also space came, but not equal space, guys. See, suppose see how much space is there between box 1 box 2. Same between 2 3 also, same between 3 4 also, same between 4 5 also, but not before the first box, not the after last box, guys. Suppose if it is suppose, guys, if it is suppose 50 pictures space is there, for example, then how much is there before the box, guys? Half only, 25 pictures only, guys. All of right. So if you have the space, for example, 50 pictures, that means in the before the box, after the last box, how much is there? 25 pictures only. That means So space around giving the space between all the boxes and also before the first box and after last box, but it is giving the half of the space, guys. Before the first box after last box is giving the half of the space between the boxes. All of right? All of clear this one now. What is happening here? It's giving space, space. It's giving right half right half, guys. Okay, it's giving what you say here, half of the space, half of the space one, right? Half of the space of which one? Half of the space between the space, right? The space between boxes, guys. Okay, between boxes. All of is clear, right? It's giving the half of the space where before the first box, after last box, how much space? It's the half of the one, half of the space between the boxes, guys. It's giving the space which is half of the space between the boxes. Okay, it's giving the half of the space. All of you don't think about the sentence, understand the intention. Understand the intention, guys. Okay, all of clear, right? Yes, guys. But what I want now, I want the space, exact size. See here, suppose, guys, 50 picture is there, right? I want the same here also, 50 picture, guys. I want the same equal size, equal space between uh, all the boxes and also before the first box of last box. I want equal, guys. I want equal, right? Equal space. Then we have one more is there, that is the space evenly, guys. Space evenly, space even, evenly. Yes, guys, space evenly, space evenly. Now yes, guys, all of can observe, guys. All of can observe, all of can observe here. Now now between the each box and also before the first box after last box, the same space came, guys. Same space came, as it is. All of can observe, right? Same space came before the box, first box, after last box, and between the boxes also. All of you are clear. So here what I used, guys, what I used for the last one, what I used, guys, here I used space evenly, guys. So it gives the equal space between all the boxes and also before the first box after the last box, guys. That's all. So these six we are using for each one, guys. These six we are using for each one for the justify content, guys. These six we are using, right? Now all of you are clear about all those things, right? This is the one part of the Flexbox, guys. Not completely over. Only half part over, guys. Half part over. Still remaining more is there that we'll see in the next class, guys. That we'll see on the next class. But I want the clarity. All of you till now is clear, right? Everything. All of right till now is clear, right? See, now tell me, all of you. So why did we use here Flexbox, guys? Why did we use this Flexbox concept? Why did we use here this Flexbox content, guys? Tell me now. Or let me know. Why did we use all of you? Let me know. Why did we use this Flexbox concept here? Hmm. Now, just guys observe now, right? You can see here. You can see, guys, right? See, all of can observe here. All of you can observe here. The space also. See, the space also increasing, decreasing dynamically, guys, right? All of can observe here. the space also increasing, decreasing dynamically. Right, it will fit for any screen sizes. Okay, right. Just look, right. The flexible is mainly for responsive websites we use. Yes, for more responsive we use, guys. Okay.